And the third one we have today is the Yeezy 700 V3 in the original Azael colorway. Now, let's get into the review of the shoe. So I think it was originally 2 years ago, Kanye released the first version of the 700 V3, and this was the first one that actually come out, which is the Azael colorway. And yeah, I think this shoe was something that eluded me for a long time. I like the Kyanites, Alvas, I think it was the black one, but there was something about this one that made me think I need to get a pair of this. But the resale price was looking crazy. They were going for like £600 to £700, and I just was not paying for that, especially when it doesn't have boost in it as well. So that was definitely a no from me. I managed to hit, and yeah, I'm very happy that I got these in hand finally. And we're gonna go right into the materials of this shoe. On the toe box, they've used this sort of rubber material here, and on the cage here, outside of the mesh, it's like this plasticky rubber they've also used as well. And that bit also glows in the dark, by the way, just to let you know. And also on the outsole here, it comes in this sort of rubber foam. It's like rubber on the outside and foam, I think, in the inside. When it comes to materials, yeah, it just looks different. It feels like it should be a stable shoe, and aesthetically, it just looks like an overall good shoe. When it comes to the sizing, the size, this is where I had a bit of a stinker with the previous ones I bought. When I bought the Safflowers and the Kyanites, the Safflowers I bought in 9.5, they were too small, so I had to send them back. The Kyanites were a 10, they were too small, I had to send them back. So this I bought in the UK 10.5, and these fit me perfectly. So this is the only Yeezy I've actually had problems with, and I'm not gonna really recommend what size you guys should get, but I'm a 9.5 UK, and I've had to go up a whole size to fit into this shoe because it fits a lot tighter than any other Yeezy model. Please try the shoe on if you can, but if you're gonna buy something like this for like resale or something like that, please, yeah, definitely try the shoe on. It fits me a whole size up. You could probably try a half size up because I've got really wide feet, but for me, I've got a wide foot, and a whole size up definitely fit for me at the end of the day. So yeah, that's my take on when it comes to the sizing. And when it comes to the price,